Alright guys, the Evo finally got a check engine light. Lots of people in the comments have been saying, be honest, is this still running? Oh, you're gonna burn your clutch. One more clutch dump left in it. Honestly, the car has been flawless. All of the footage in the last 4 months have been 99% problem free. And this check engine light that just popped up is not even the car's fault, it's actually my own fault. From a previous modification that now I have to apologize to you guys because I said it was a good idea, turned out to be still a good idea, but it threw the check engine light. Let's go over to the OBD2 port and we're gonna read the code and then I'll explain where I messed up and where I gave some bad advice. So we all have these old school cabled OBD2 scanners and they do the job, but they're very minimal, very basic. We got something a lot better, so let's toss those. This company reached out to me, VDiagTool. They sell a bunch of really high-end diagnostics tools. At first I thought they were some knockoff brand, something not serious. I checked them out, they're legit. I got the discounted link in the description. Not only that, they hooked me up with a 15% off promo code. Definitely go check them out. I'll show you guys how awesome this OBD2 Bluetooth scanner is. This OBD2 scanner is called the D200 by VDiagTool. Plug it in, you download the app, you connect to it, and just like that, there it is. The code is thermostat below regulating temperature. The programmed factory ECU, it has a threshold where the temperature must reach a certain amount, otherwise it throws that fault. So the check engine light was actually my own fault. I'm not going to do anything about it, I'm going to leave it. I do like the cooler engine temperatures. It's always better to start out cooler when you're getting into a pool than already be at fully operating temp. The radiator cap opens up earlier, so it's already trying to help keep that engine cool. So yeah, the Evo is alive and kicking, still running great. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel and stay tuned because I'm just getting warmed up. Content is only going to get better from here on out. Action is only going to get more and more intense. If you guys are interested in this OBD2 reader, I'll leave all the information in the description, the promo code, the discounted link, so you guys can check it out. Thanks.